Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, there is a special recipe of tandoori chicken, and I must say it's a fail-proof recipe. This video may go a little long as I'm showing each and every single step that I followed. So hope you all like the video and keep watching. So this tandoori chicken is made in oven, so don't forget to watch the video till the end as there are some important steps that should be followed while making this. So marination is a very important step in making of tandoori chicken. So here I have took around 1.5 kg of chicken cuts. I have took 2 boxes here as I'm going to use just the legs and thighs of the chicken. So that's the breakfast oats with milk, nuts and honey. So here I'm cleaning the chicken. We have to remove the skin, but make sure that you don't remove the fats on it. Just remove the excess and let some fat to be there on it for the extra added flavor. If your palm feels a little slippery, you feel that you can't remove the skin, so you can just use kitchen tissue or a clean cotton cloth, then it will easily come off. Now I'm making some slits on the chicken pieces. Make sure that you make it wide with your finger so that the masala gets in completely. Make big and nice slits. So I've washed the chicken pieces before adding the slits. Now we'll be moving on to the first marination. So first goes in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 full teaspoons of chili powder. Next we'll be adding juice of a whole lemon. Squeeze it well. So these were the 3 ingredients. We'll be mixing it nicely. Next to the chicken pieces, we'll be directly adding a teaspoonful of red chilli powder and some salt. If you want, you can use Kashmiri red chilli powder too for the extra color. It goes in the prepared marination. Add it and mix it well. Make sure that you add the masala nicely into the slits. So the first marination is done nicely. We'll rest it for around 20 minutes. By the time we'll be preparing the second marination. So into a bowl we'll be adding 1 cup of yogurt, and next goes in 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Then goes in 1 teaspoon of both cumin and coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of pepper powder, and a full teaspoon of garam masala powder. Again, you can add red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, or you can add Kashmiri red chilli powder. Then goes in half a lemon juice. Now this is Kasuri Methi, that's dried fenugreek leaves. We'll be taking around 1 teaspoonful in our palm and we'll be rubbing it and crushing it, and we'll be adding to the masala. Now don't forget to add in some salt, and next we'll be adding around half a teaspoon of vinegar. Now we'll be mixing them all well. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala. You can add of any brand. This I bought from Carrefour from the loose masala section, and I just loved it and I keep using this one. Recently I prepared tandoori fish too, and I added this masala to it and it tasted just yum. I also added some fishes and chicken while frying them. So the first marination is all set. Next we'll be adding the second marination onto the chicken pieces. We women just never leave a single drop of masala and scraping of the excess. Add them and again mix nicely. Make sure that you add the masala nicely in between the slits. So the second marination is done nicely too, and this straight away goes into the fridge. Now again, not keeping it in the freezer, just in the fridge, and it was around 7:30 in the morning when I done the second marination. And that's my early bird. It's around 12:30 to 1 in the afternoon, and I'm taking it out of the fridge. Here's the secret tip to make the chicken tender and juicier. Now many of you might be already knowing it. Adding around 2 teaspoons of oil. Now I have took it in my palm just to spread it nicely, and by the time we'll be preparing the coal. Then had coal, so using the coconut shell. Next we are going to smoke the chicken. Made a bowl kind with aluminium foil and place the coal in it, and we'll be adding a teaspoonful of oil and just immediately cover it up and let the smoke just spread into the chicken. Rest it for around 5 to 10 minutes or till the smoke disappears. And next we'll be taking the foil out and we'll be placing these chicken pieces to the grill. Now it will be convenient if you place a tray below with aluminium foil, so it would be easier for you to clean later. And we'll be directly placing the chicken pieces. Just spread some oil on the grill and then place the chicken pieces. Some more masala on the top, and next this goes straight into the oven. Both the top and bottom flames will be on high, and we'll be keeping it for around 45 to 50 minutes. Not closing the door completely as we are grilling it. Some models do have the option to close the door and grill, and that's my guest in the kitchen. So after around 15 to 20 minutes, when the chicken is semi-cooked, we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of oil to the masala. That's the leftover masala, and we'll be spreading it well. That's the chicken wings. I just wanted to try this masala while frying the chicken pieces, so we'll be doing it later. So we'll be spreading this masala onto the chicken pieces and we'll be grilling it again. So after 10 to 15 more minutes, here you can see the top side is done nicely. Now we'll be flipping the chicken pieces and we'll be spreading some masala on the top too. That's the same leftover masala in which we added the oil, and we'll be spreading it nicely on all the pieces. Now it's just these simple steps and tips that we use to give an extra effort to our dish, and it tastes yum too, and the family would love. Preparing a simple mint sauce, and the recipe is already on my channel. We'll be sharing the link, and here you can see chicken is nicely done. We'll be turning the flame off and we'll be keeping it in the oven itself and closing the door. And here's the chutney ready. The tandoori chicken just feels bland without chutney. And we'll be taking out the chicken. Take it out just minutes before serving, and next we'll be adding some butter and chaat masala to it. At first I started spreading it with a brush, and then later I felt convenient to just add the butter piece on the chicken as it was just melting nicely. And here's the chaat masala, spreading it little on the pieces. And here's your tandoori chicken ready. Squeezing some lemon juice on top of it, and it will taste just delicious. You can see it's grilled nicely. Simply succulent and juicy, you can see. So hope you all try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. I must say this is a fail-proof recipe and you all will love it. And that's the yogurt mint sauce. Had made wheat burgol that day. We'll be sharing its recipe soon. So here's the end of the video. Hope you all like the recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.